Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send files via meeting chat on the Zoom website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and tap on the My Account button in the upper right corner of the screen. Then tap on Settings on the left side column and then click on Meeting at the top. Then you should scroll down to the In Meeting Basic section, and here you can see this send files via meeting chat. So the hosts and participants can send files through the in-meeting chat. So turn it on by tapping on this button, and here you can tap on this only allow specified file types or maximum file size can be selected here. And if you are done, tap on the save button down below to save your changes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.